for the Porcupine Warriors. 24 times. The Kotoko setting through from Justice Belay. Samba O'Neill's ball to Intim. It goes back to Samba. Frederick Asare calming the team down. He's gathered some experience from the national team, Frederick Asare. He's been there over the past few seasons, and that is actually building his confidence. The Timber Boys. Blue with a long pass. Miscommunication between the attack of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And that was a good move, but Frederick Asare, the captain. This is Chiba 4. Chiba 4 tense. The team gets it. Blake. Back to team. Lord Amoah. Adabo battling. Has lost the ball. Patrick Asiedu on the left for Kotoko. Good move from Asiedu. Albert Amoah. What a goal this is. Just half an hour and Albert Amoah has put the men in red up front. Kumasi Asante Kotoko have their boot on the throat of the champions. And what have you got? Samartex. 1-0 Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Just a minute, over half an hour, and the third goal this season for Albert Amoah is in.
The wing play for Kumasi Asante Kotoko is working. Look at how he manages to take the defender on. And Albert Amoah within the sensitive zone. He's one guy in as much as he hasn't been that potent, but you cannot write him off within that moment. He was within the traffic, 2v1 in the middle between two defenders, but he was able to find the back of the net. Season for Great Olympics, he scored 5 goals. This time around, he's looking forward to increase those numbers. Disappointing to concede from a moment they think they could defend. But Albert Amoah salvaging points for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Ball for Amoah. A pass to Asiedu. Asiedu strikes. Offside.
This time around they will save. The high line is working. The coach is not happy.
Not excited.
Of course. Look at that boy again.
It was.
They dominated tactically, individually. Second half, let's see whether Samartex can bounce back. Of course, the cream de la cream. History is backing them so very well.
Albert Amoah gets the touch. Amoah tense. Emmanuel Ntwi. Back to Samba O'Neil. Ntwi gets it back. Pressure from Ajay Solomon, but Ntwi was able to escape. Justice Belay. In team. Ntwi. Asiedu was trying to put it in behind for Emmanuel Ntwi, but the communication was a bit difficult. Good ball from Samuel Mensah Tete. chasing his 4th win of the season. Samuel Mensah Tete. Back to goalkeeper Kofi Ban. Ban's ball towards Solomon for the Timber Boys.
Anyone with Hasselhoff affiliation always do a kill against Asante Kotoko, regardless of the team he's playing for. So Richard Beidou and Agbeshima are all his passes, and he's more or less playing on the left side, and he's not that comfortable. So any dangerous winger from Samartex can bully him up.
Frederick Asare with that kick. Amoah was trying to press Kofi Ban
to play with a pair, 4 and 5, but the 3-back system, in as much as he's playing very well, but he's not of his best.
Tete's ball, Blaze header, opportunity for Samartex. And Felix Jr. Kodria with that left-footed strike, inches away from goal.
He's trying to come to the game, but just that defense of Kotoko is not giving him spaces. But this time around, there was much space.
Emmanuel Antwi's ball towards Amoah. And Samuel Mensah Tete
testing the fullbacks of Asante Kotoko, because Justice Blay is lacking some pace. Also, Sambo O'Neill's not the best, so I'm expecting Kotoko to always retract to get that 5 back.
Lord Amoah. A doubles interception. Amoah, a strike, and that was a brilliant save from Kofi Ban.
A signature shot from Amoah. Very dangerous, very deadly, very poisonous, very toxic. Can spoil your day any moment. After getting their first goal, he seems off, but this time around, look at the dominance. What a strike, what a player. My goodness. By brilliant save from Kofi Ban.
What a goal this would have been. Corner being whipped in. Kofi Ban gets it again. Samartex. There is a shot from Akwasi Sapong. Samba Unel to Frederick Asare. Long ball sent for the dangerous striker. Amoah gets the flick. Siedu with Kofi Ban once again to the rescue for Samartex.
I believe he must adjust, because very soon Natiogun is a coach who love to visit his books and adjust things. So you must play to your best, regardless of the system and the structure.
Samartex building patiently. Mama. Wasted ball by Elvis Chebafo.
Chebafo has been a mere passenger.
Emmanuel Antwi. Siedu. Jose Fablo. Justice Blay. Emmanuel Entry. Lord Amoah. Good interception from the former House of Folk defender Kofi Agbezima.
Look at his calmness alone. And he's there to give those last ditch tackles. He was the leader for House of Folk last season. And moment like this, he can handle them for Samartex, and he's doing that so far.
Jose Fablo. Antwi's ball was for Asidu, but it was intercepted by Samuel Mensah-Tete. Samuel proceeding to switch from the wing backs attacking the spaces to direct wingers.
And I believe with this, Amoah must come and play that left fullback role because some.
But it has been given in favor of Samartex. Tete towards Abubakar Sedu. Cheba 4. Good control from Cheba 4. Albert Amoah. Amoah tense. Baba Yaya. That pass towards bar 4.
Cheba 4 hasn't been on his element.
Has been substituted for Fernando Wisdom Bassi, the new number 7 man for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Fernando is having some Vinny Jr. instincts, and his debut, he gave Kotoko a best of performance. 1v1. Watch the ball carefully. The midfield of Kotoko is having lapses now, and Abubakar Sedu, he's tough. Which from Natiogun, Babaya hasn't been that influential coming inside because all his balls have been sent backward, and I believe that what differ wingers from the others is how direct and progressive they can be.
This is Bassi. Bassi moving to a dangerous zone. Bassi's ball in, but a double clears. 9-10. This is Solomon. Very good player this afternoon for Samartex. Ball being sent in for Isaac Bafo.
Scoring against Accra Lions. Another goal. Same venue.
And that is all here at the Lenkele Sports Stadium. It is Kotoko 1, Samartex 0. Match day 7 of the Ghana Premier League. And Kumasi Asante have got their 4th win of the season. And again, it is by a goal to 0.
This particular venue is now a 4.